I am at the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. This is a private, non-profit museum owned by Mark Pieloch. It is not open to the general public. Instead,
I'm at the car museum in Melbourne. Let's go check it out.
this is a 123 square foot facility. It displays over 450 muscle cars, many considered very rare versions with very low mileage. Every year, this muscle car museum opens up the museum to veterans. This is once a year event. Otherwise, it's a charity event only.
These are miniature car collection up here. $156,945. I'm trying to find a year on this. This is an Indian motorcycle, Silver Arrow, 8 horsepower outboard motor, and it's dated 1930. Beautiful Indian bike here. This is 1948 Indian Chief motorcycle. Gorgeous bike. Here's another part of the collection. It's a 2009 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Wow, that's gorgeous. These are all outboard motors, and they date to 1915 all the way up to 1956. Okay, we're ready. Let's go check it out. Hey, Phil.
Round two.
Round two. Yeah. Wow. What do you think of this?
Check this one. A Porsche diesel.
Oh my gosh. This is a private collection. What do you think, guys? This color is a VW vanilla yellow. To me, it kind of looks like a lime green, but it's pretty cool anyway. 1998 Porsche. This 1997 Porsche is a pearl white paint with champagne leather. Exterior is speed yellow with black, blue Recaro seats. Wow. Nice. This is a 1973 Porsche. It's light yellow with black leatherette seats. (1972) Porsche, and it's Sophia Brown. Oh wow, here's a limo.
You hit the blinker, those come up and they're lit.
Wow, look at this. This is a 1953 Porsche 356 limousine, 111 miles. The exterior is Grand Prix white with a mocha brown interior. Wow. $111 miles on this, and it's one of one. Wow. Let's move on. A Porsche diesel. This is a 1960 Porsche diesel tractor. '56 Volkswagen Deluxe. 23 window van. Let's see what the mileage is on it. Chestnut brown and sealing wax red. Can't see the mileage on it, but it's pretty cool. This is a Ferrari 2015. '66 Chevy Corvair. Wow, Corvair here. Yenko's first production car. have something about Corvairs. We've had a few of these back when we were in our 20s. 1967 Yenko Camaro here. Wow, beautiful color. I love the color of this. It looks like it is Granada gold with the black stripes in black vinyl. Very nice. This is 1968 Chevy Camaro, Yenko. '68 Camaro here. It's Camaro Yenko.
Yeah.
This color on this is Corvette bronze, black interior.
The guy came to show me buy it. When it stopped, the smoke would go. Yeah. I couldn't see the car, and I bought it anyway.
I have one of these.
1969 Chevy Camaro Yenko here. 4-speed manual, Olympic gold.
Yeah, it's a great car.
Right. I think any car can be good if you take care of it.
Well, it depends how it was maintained and how it was treated.
First 1969 Yenko Camaro built. Wow. See this? The first Yenko Camaro built.
Oh, wow.
Is
There's
this one?
another one up down there, too.
101.
101, yeah. Thinking this is a private collection. It's absolutely amazing. '69 Chevy.
Yeah, this has something with the flags.
Yeah.
I knew you were in trouble.
There you go.
This is a Deuce Coupe. It has twin. What is it? Twin carbo?
Twin cars.
Twin carbs for this?
Well, we don't know for sure, but makes sense.
1970 Yenko Deuce.
Yenko was like a Shelby. Car modifier.
1970 Chevy Yenko. It's an amazing collection. Up here are the newer vehicles, 2017, 2012 Chevy.
This is underneath the AMX.
1969 Chevy Chevelle.
Remember these Vegas?
Oh yeah.
These were.
Wow.
That
Nice
was.
color.
This is a 1972 Chevy Vega wagon.
That ain't my fault.
1975 Pontiac Firebird. Trans Am Yenko. 13,000 original miles on this. '81 Chevy Camaro here. Last original Yenko Camaro built. Wow. 2011 Chevy Camaro convertible has 36 original miles.
I got a 63
'18 Chevy Camaro here, 50th edition, Hot Wheels edition.
That is beautiful color.
beefy looking, isn't it?
1955 Indy 500.
It was fully restored. He paid $4,000. And he got, he was stopped at a stop sign.
It was a Bel Air, but it was a Ford.
Official race car. Wow. Wow, that's sharp. '17 Camaro has 29 original miles. Isn't that amazing? This is a 2014 with 1,281 original miles. This one's a 2011 Chevy Camaro with 87 original miles. 2008 Chevy Corvette,
Somebody in our park had
5 original miles.
Tom.
2006 Chevy SSR pace truck. 33 original miles on this. Here was a section of vintage radios. And then I saw this antique stove. My grandmother used to have one like this. And I believe this is a cigarette machine. And here's an old ice box. This is a refrigerator. Isn't that amazing? Back in the day. Kind of like an ice box, they call it. Here's an Oldsmobile Bravada Indy Grace pace car. Here's an official pace car here too. '59 Ford Fairlane Galaxy Skyliner with a retractable roof on it. Beautiful car. Wow, this is a gorgeous car. '59 Ford Galaxy Skyliner convertible. '62 here. This is a convertible as well. These three cars are quite amazing. Wow, this is an amazing station wagon, or they call it a country sedan, in 1959. Wow. '59 Apache here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful truck. This is a '58 Ford Fairlane convertible here. Wow, is that another beautiful car? '57 Ford pickup.
Look at the nose and the chrome on this beautiful Ford. What do you think of this '57 Ranchero?
'57 Ford Fairlane 500 Sunliner convertible. Body off restoration. '57 Ford Fairlane Skyliner. Another with retractable top. Another '57 Hudson here. Hudson Hornet. Gorgeous car.
They said they come out.
And this one here is a '57 Chevy Nomad. Chevy Bel Air here, convertible. Beautiful color. 57 passenger, 57, and it's a Chevy Bel Air convertible. They have them all in battery tenders. Most of these cars are not driven. They're just here with very little mileage. Another 57 Bel Air convertible here. 3-speed manual, harbor blue, rare dual quad batwing car. One of 97 convertibles built. Beautiful International, 1957. That's gorgeous. Less than 500 produced. Frame off restoration. 57 Mercury Monterey convertible. One of 5,003 cars produced. Wow, pretty color. This is a 1955 Chevy Nomad. One of 8,386 Nomads body off restoration. '58 Ford Fairlane Skyliner. What a gorgeous car.
This Fairlane's got a retractable roof. It was such a clever thing in its day. Now this Mercury was my absolute favorite car of this museum. Unbelievable.
It's one gorgeous car. Beautiful Mercury.
Just couldn't get enough pictures of this car. Look at the beautiful fenders and all the classy details.
So, you know, he developed like some pain medications for dogs. You know, pretty much everything is pet oriented. And he develops things, and just when they come out, then he sells the patent for like millions of dollars.
Yeah.
And then he goes and buys a couple more cars.
Exactly. That's his, that's the way he works it. Wow. This is nice. This is a Pontiac Ventura bubble top. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, they do. 1977 Pontiac Can-Am here. Le Mans Can-Am. Another Trans Am over here. And I'm just gonna run around this way and you can see what's on this side. You got a pace car there. A Mercury convertible here. Indy 500 pace car, 1957. Wow, this is a 1956. Beautiful cars. The DeSoto. A Brooklyn here. '74 Brooklyn. And then we have a Dodge here. Dodge Challenger. 2080 DeLorean. Very cool. Grand National here. Just breezing by some of these cars. But I do want you to see all these amazing vehicles that are here. Check out this. 71 Plymouth Cuda here. Wow. Everywhere you look in this museum of cars, it's absolutely amazing to see the collection. Another Cuda here. Wow, check out the color of this car. A Dodge Viper here. 2017 Viper. There's another Viper. It's a 2013. Wow, look at them all. Check that out, all the way down. Wow. 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth GT is 71. Gorgeous car. Here's a Challenger, 2010 Challenger. Look at the artwork on this car. You can see it. Wow. Mercedes-Benz 2021. First I thought it was a reflection, but you can check it out in the back. Look at how beautiful that looks. And the Porsches right here. This is a 2004 Dodge Ram Viper Club of America. Wow, check that out. Wow. A 1970 Kingfish Indy car, Dr. Pepper Special. Oh, look at these old motorcycles. These are amazing. Wow. Check that out. Oh, that's pretty cool.
These are some German World War II motorcycles, and they were on loan from a friend.
2017 Rolls-Royce Dawn convertible. Wow, that's nice. This is a 2016 Challenger Hellcat. 2019 Challenger. Now look at the paint job on this.
If you ever get a chance to come visit this museum, it is in Melbourne, Florida. It's amazing. Here are some folks here having some fun in this classy shoe. And I decided to get a picture too with Bill.
I'm trying to breeze through because this show will be done in 45 minutes or less. And I want to make sure I get most of the cars here. I still have a long ways to go down there. These are all Corvettes on this side over here, as you can see. And then on this side we have some, well, this is a Porsche here, an 88 Porsche. And then over here we have a 69 Shelby. I'm sorry if I'm all over, but check out the lineup of Corvettes down here. It's absolutely insane.
I hope all you folks up north are enjoying this video. I told you I'd be showing you some really cool cars, so stay tuned for my future videos because there's going to be lots more.
Brittany blue, metallic with white stripes, 1967 Shelby Mustang. Beautiful color.
They still make those replicas of them.
I'm just going to go down the line here. There's so many Shelbys. Wow. The colors are fabulous. Okay, this is a 2002 Thunderbird. I think our friend Phil owns a Thunderbird about that year. Gorgeous car. Okay, gonna keep on going down here. Oh my God, look at that truck up there. Quite amazing. Cyclone spoiler, 1970 Mercury. Wow. Holy smokes. 1971 Mercury Cougar here. Oh, I like the Cougars. Nice. As you can see, there's cars on lifts around me here. Check them all out. 465 cars, I believe, is in this collection. Private collection. And we're lucky enough to come in and be able to view all these gorgeous cars. Nice Cobra here. This is a 70s Ford Torino Twister. Oh, look at that. Cobra Jet, it says on it. Dan. Very official. Let's see who Dan Gurney is. He's from Long Island. This is a 2003 Chevy SSR.
There were so many more cars added to this museum than the last time I was here. It was remarkable.
Gonna breeze through this and make sure we get a few more. That pickup truck up there, isn't it gorgeous? '97 Camaro here. '97 Chevy here.
This is what every collector needs, at least one Volkswagen bus.
These are some of the awesome volunteers. Are we in the way? No, you're awesome volunteers. All right, we're almost done here today. I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough to get the rest of these cars in. I know people have their favorites, so I just want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. Imagine having this collection though. Absolutely amazing. Something about those fastbacks I really like. And check out this. Holy smokes. Wow, that's amazing. Wow.
The owner, Mark Pieloch, has collected cars since 1974 with models in the museum starting from 1955 with many from 1969 to 70 period. Well folks, this is the end of this amazing car show. I hope you all enjoyed it. These are all the solar panels that help to run this building with all these collectible cars. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Feel free to share my video. Thanks for watching.